Is the SUD Life Smart Income Plan genuinely a smart way to generate regular income or just another conservative product with limited growth potential? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. So, hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non linked, non participating individual savings life insurance plan. So, some of the key features of the policy are you have the choice of 9 distinct plan options to suit varied financial objectives. You have the flexibility to decide the premium amount, premium payment term, and overall policy term based on your cash flow and long term goals. So, you have the facility to receive an Insta cash benefit within 7 days from the date of policy issuance. So, you also have the option to align the guaranteed income payout with a special date such as a birthday, anniversary, or any other significant occasion. So, there are tax benefits which may be available on premiums paid and benefits received as well. So, you have the choice to start receiving guaranteed income as early as the end of the first policy year or defer the income to a later period depending on your preference. So, these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like survival benefits, maturity benefits, and death benefit, which will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. So now let us take a look at the advantages. So there are enhanced benefits for policyholders who opt for a higher premium outlay. You have the facility to accumulate the guaranteed income in a safe box and withdraw it at any time based on liquidity requirements. So there is also a premium offset feature which allows for adjustments of future premiums using the accrued guaranteed income. You have the option to receive the survival benefit or guaranteed income on a chosen special date, for example a birthday or anniversary. Loan facility is also available up to 60% of the policy surrender value, which may be subjected to applicable terms and conditions. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like the annual income benefit may encourage discretionary spending rather than disciplined wealth accumulation. So since the policy provides periodic payouts, the residual maturity value is likely to be modest and may not be adequate to meet large financial goals. Additionally, certain plan variants do not offer any maturity benefit at all. So opting to receive regular payouts from as early as the end of the first policy year significantly reduces the scope for compounding, thereby limiting long-term corpus growth. So although the plan offers 9 variants, the complexity of options may create confusion among investors, so increasing the risk of selecting an unsuitable variant. So these are some of the disadvantages that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. And if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So now as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration to help us make a more informed decision. So here let us consider a 35-year-old male who purchases the policy, which is option 2 deferred fixed income with lump sum, and pays 1 lakh rupees per year for 10 years with an income starting from the end of the 6th year. So the sum assured is 10.5 lakhs. The policy term is 30 years. The guaranteed income is 44,993 rupees per annum from the end of the 6th year until the end of the 30-year policy term. So there is a guaranteed maturity benefit of 10 lakhs at the end of the policy term. So based on this cash flow structure, the IRR works out to be approximately 4.31% per annum. So an IRR of 4.31% as per the policy's maturity calculator is modest, particularly when compared with long-term debt instruments. So when guaranteed survival and maturity benefits generate returns comparable to or below conventional fixed income products, the opportunity cost becomes significant. The primary factor driving this low yield is the yearly commencement of annual payouts. When income begins from the 6th year, the invested capital does not remain fully deployed for long-term compounding. As a result, the accumulation potential weakens considerably. While the plan offers predictability through guaranteed payouts, the return profile is unlikely to support major life goals that require substantial corpus accumulation. For investors seeking meaningful wealth creation alongside protection, the structure may not be optimal from a capital efficiency standpoint. So you need to consider all these things before deciding to invest in this policy. So now as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to take an alternative approach in which we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately to see whether that can give us better returns. So for protection, we are going to take a pure term life insurance policy for life cover purpose, which is structurally more appropriate. Term plans provide high coverage at relatively low premiums, enabling the surplus amount to be deployed towards wealth creation. So, risk averse investors may allocate funds to debt instruments such as a PPF account. So, investors with a higher risk tolerance may consider equity oriented instruments such as diversified equity mutual funds. Pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10.5 lakhs costs just 13,000 rupees annually. The policy term is 30 years with a premium paying term of 10 years. In the initial years, the saved premium of 87,000 rupees is invested. Under the SUD policy, the annual survival benefit is 44,993 rupees. Effectively, the net annual outflow becomes 42,000 rupees. So 87,000 premium, from that, if you reduce 44,993 rupees survival benefit, we can invest that in an equity mutual fund. The accumulated corpus at the end of 10 years in the equity mutual fund is 14.69 lakhs. After accounting for capital gains tax, the final maturity amount is 13.87 lakhs, which is shifted to an instrument yielding 7%. So from this investment, you can withdraw an annual survival benefit and a final maturity benefit similar to the SUD policy. So the corpus here is 33.94 lakhs, which is approximately 3 times the maturity value offered under the SUD policy. Additionally, the investment route provides liquidity and flexibility which traditional bundled products lack. A disciplined approach separating protection, term insurance from wealth creation, like debt or equity instruments based on risk profile, enhances return potential, liquidity, goal alignment, and portfolio transparency. So, what is the final verdict here? Is investing in the SUD Life Smart Income Plan worth it or not? So, this policy comes with 9 different variants, each structured with varying combinations of income and survival benefits. The payouts are guaranteed and remain insulated from market volatility. However, the presence of assured income and maturity benefits does not automatically translate into goal achievement. When a long-term commitment of 30 to 40 years generates relatively low returns, the accumulated corpus is unlikely to keep pace with inflation-adjusted future expenses. Over extended horizons, return efficiency becomes far more critical than the comfort of guarantees. A key structural concern is that the survival benefit commences even before the premium paying term concludes. So this yearly payout reduces the compounding potential of the invested amount, resulting in a subdued yield, and it also has a high agent commission. Moreover, the life cover under the plan is generally insufficient to adequately secure a family's long-term financial requirements in the event of an unforeseen contingency. Together, these limitations weaken the plan's overall effectiveness. A more efficient strategy is to separate insurance and investment. A pure term life insurance policy provides you with high coverage at a low cost, ensuring financial protection for dependents. So, parallelly, constructing a diversified investment portfolio aligned with your risk profile and time horizon can meaningfully enhance wealth creation and keep your financial goals on track. You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.